How to use Miramate Feminine Cold Laser. Take off the head cover. Long press the power button to turn on or off the device. Turn on the device and press the vibration button to start vibrating. Press the vibration button again to increase to level 2 vibration. Press the vibration button again, the third time, to stop vibration. How to charge the device. Plug in the charging cable. Make sure the plug is all the way in. Charge the device within 110-240V USB charger. The indicator light, power button, should blink when charging. How to clean the device? Spray some medical alcohol on a cloth or tissue. Then use the wet cloth/tissue to clean the surface of the device. Do not spray alcohol on the surface directly, and do not remove the transparent cover.